Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you how I made this fried asun rice for my family. Before I proceed, if you're watching for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button and support my channel. Please kindly help my little channel to grow. Now this is the goat meat that I will be using for the fried asun rice. You can actually use goat meat with or without the back, it's totally your choice. I started off by washing my goat meat thoroughly using salt and water, as you can see. After which I transferred it into a pot so that I can actually add my ingredients. Firstly, I added in my ginger and garlic. After then, I went ahead to add in some thyme as well. After which I proceeded to add in my curry and then onions, and then I added in Maggi cubes as well with a pinch of salt, and then I'll leave it to marinate for some hours depending on your choice. This has actually stayed for a while, and on a normal day I wouldn't be adding in water in my goat meat, but because I need the broth to cook the rice, I will be adding in some water to cook. I would be blending my bonnet pepper, my chili peppers and some onions. This wasn't actually meant to be this smooth, but I was actually distracted whilst I was blending it. Then I poured in my meat broth in a pot and added in water. And here is my meat. I want to actually slice it in chewable sizes. And here my meat broth is boiling and I'm adding in my thoroughly washed basmati rice. Wash your basmati rice thoroughly to avoid it from being soggy. And here is my sliced goat meat, that's my asun. I want to fry it, but you can actually grill yours. Grilling and frying gives same results. Now in a different frying pan, I added in groundnut oil and then I poured in my garlic. I will be frying this for a few minutes. Make sure you do not burn yours. After frying my garlic, and then I went in with my sliced onions. And then after frying it, I then went in with my blended peppers. And then I will be frying this as well for a few more minutes. After which I went in with some curry, thyme, and then I added in Maggi cubes. Then I would stir and fry for some minutes. Then I went in with my sliced green peppers and yellow peppers for garnishing. I would also leave this for a few more minutes. Then I went ahead to add my asun, my fried goat meat. Stir and fry together. Then I started adding in my cooked basmati rice little by little while mixing everything together thoroughly. Guys, at this point the rice is just almost ready. So guys, yeah, here is the end product. Actually the rice is ready. As you can see, it's looking delicious. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting my channel. Please do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Thank you so much.